everybody. So we didn't close out the vlog last night because Cornell brought home ice cream cake and I ate it and it was really good. So don't mind my hair, we're eating breakfast. Jackson had some of these little cinnamon toast things that I did in the hall yesterday. Armin's having some, I'll show you her plate. She's having some eggies, sausage, and waffles, and a little bit of these birthday bears. She's already had breakfast with Jackson and now she has to have breakfast with me too. So today we have to, are you listening? Today we have to fold laundry, do dishes, and get mommy's car plated, okay? Okay. I'm still trying to do all this laundry. I'm still trying to do it. Arin, she's busy, clearly. Laundry is finally folded. So I'm going to wait to put that away because I need to get dishes and dinner started. I'm making lasagna, so I need to get the dishes started. Jackson, I need you to kind of pick up in here, bud. Hey guys, we're in my kitchen again. I'm making lasagna out of this Give Me Lean burger. I also have this marinara sauce. I got my lasagna noodles, my cream cheese. I got salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. We're gonna start by boiling the water for the pasta, browning off this veggie burger. I also got some cheese, so I need to grate that up as well. Rena's over in her little corner. I'm also going to add this into here.
What's B-O-W-N?
So you guys are probably like, Amy, that's not how you're supposed to shred cheese. And wait till you get to the cutting part. You're going to be like, that's not how you're supposed to cut it. I'm actually having issues with my wrist right now to where I don't have the strength that I normally have. And so I needed both hands to cut the cheese. I know, funny, right? For the lasagna, I just oiled the pan, put down the noodles as normal, like you normally make it, then put some cream cheese, then the hamburger with vegetables, and the cheese. And then I just repeated that and popped it in the oven at 350 or 400 for about a half hour. Alright, something exciting happened. This box is literally like, yeah, huge. A Rin's car seat came.
It's here. The seat is here and it's out.
Look at baby girl. Now she's gonna be rear facing, so it's going to be like this. And she looks comfortable. Here's dinner. It was so good. This is the only picture I could capture before I devoured it. That lasagna was bomb.com, okay? But now I have to do all the dinner dishes. Yeah, you guys see that? It's not all fat. I used to be buff. By the way, I use these for my haul. They work amazing. And I'm going to get this all cleaned up and then go to bed. So I want to tell you all, thank you all for watching another vlog. Mom Life Unscripted vlog. We love you. God bless you. Hug your loved ones. Tell them what they mean to you before another day goes by, because tomorrow is not promised. Here comes the crying baby. The cries are getting closer. Here they come. You guys have a great night. Bye.